Hi teachers and staff, let's quickly walk through how to manage role permissions on ilerno. Setting up roles with the right permissions ensures that your team has access to the tools they need while maintaining security and clarity. It's simple. In the navigation menu, click Settings and choose Role Permission tab. This is where you'll see a comprehensive list of roles and their corresponding permissions broken down by modules. To add a new role, click the Add New Role button at the top right, enter a name for the role, for example, Assistant Teacher or Course Manager, and hit Save. Columns display all the roles in your school. You can click the triple dot icon to edit or delete roles. However, roles like Admin, Head of Department, and Teacher cannot be deleted. Once your role is created, you can customize its permissions. Scroll through the listed features and toggle the permissions on or off for that role. Each feature has options for visibility, access, and management. You might notice an icon next to some permissions. This represents the visibility setting, allowing you to control whether this role can see specific features without having full access to modify them. What's great about this system is that every module and feature is listed, giving you complete control over what each role can or cannot do. For example, if you want a role to manage lesson schedules, but not access financial data, you can fine-tune those permissions here. Don't forget to review the permissions, as they update in real time when you toggle the check marks. Once everything is set up, your staff members will automatically see the tools and features aligned with their assigned role. And that's it. Managing role permissions keeps your team effective and your platform secure. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.